Hi lovely people, welcome back to my video. In today's video I'll be sharing how to make vitamin C serum that helps brighten your face and remove dark spots. If you have face redness, this can help ease your face redness. This vitamin C serum is made from natural ingredients that you can find in your kitchen and organic skincare store. So these are the place you can find these materials that we use. They are all natural, okay? In case you are hearing this voice for the first time, my name is Gloria, Home of Skills. In this page, I teach all kinds of soap making, business ideas, and skincare. So do well to subscribe, follow this video in case you're watching it in any of my platform. If you also want to learn all kinds of soap making, use the number on the screen to contact me and let's get started. Like and share this video so that it can be pushed to more people who are interested in this type of video. So first of all, the first thing we are going to be using is lemon. We are going to be using one large lemon. This is very simple to make. The only thing you need from this lemon is the back of the lemon. That is the only thing you need. You don't need the juice. So I am going to be grating it out now. So once you have finished grating your lemon peel, set it aside. Guys, please, the only favor I need from you is for you to encourage me by liking this video and say thank you in the comment section. If you like what I'm doing, please help me share this video. Thank you and God bless. So after grating your lemon peel, I'm going to pour it in this bowl plate. So the first thing to be added to this lemon peel is rose water. As I said rose water, I did not say normal tap water or any drinking water. No, that is not what I said. I said rose water, so please make use of it, okay? Pour 3 tablespoons of rose water in the lemon peel. All the materials that I use can be gotten from your kitchen and organic skincare store. Some people that sell it, when you go to a chemical store, they can direct you on how to get it. If you need a contact, just write me. I'll give it to you for free, okay? Just write me. I don't want to put it here on the internet, okay? This is usually someone I buy chemical from or anything I want. This is the person I usually buy from. Doing this just to help my subscribers and my followers. This person did not pay me for anything, okay? So it is time to stir it. After stirring it, you have to cover it, okay? So once you cover it, please allow it to sit for about 3 to 6 hours. So do not be in a haste to make this. Please be patient, okay? Just allow it to stay. If you want it to work very well on you, you can even allow it to stay for the 6 hours. But if you are too fast, you can leave it for 3 hours at least. Please make sure you allow it to stay for that time I recommended for you. So I use a tea bag to strain it. If you have anything you have at home like handkerchief or any cotton materials that when you use it you won't see any particles, so make sure you use that type of sieving material. So once you're done, you're going to see a yellow color. If your lemon peel is not like this, that means your lemon is not ripe. So I recommend a ripe lemon for you. So the next thing we'll be using is aloe vera gel. Please, I recommend this aloe vera gel. Do not use a raw aloe vera. You can use this, okay? I am not saying that the raw aloe vera is not good for this, but I recommend this aloe vera gel instead. In case you find it around you, you can use it, but this will stay longer. That is why I recommend the aloe vera gel. Add 3 tablespoons of aloe vera gel in the mixing plate. This aloe vera gel helps to reduce sunburn and face redness. So the next thing to add is the lemon water. Please remember that this is a lemon peel, not a lemon juice, okay? Lemon helps to brighten your face and clear dark spots on your face. Once you are done, add vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil helps to fight any skin irritation such as eczema, skin itching, and so on. So I'm just illustrating how 1 ml is supposed to be, and I'll be using half of it for this. I'll be using syringe to do my measurements, or you can use micro pipette if you have any. So what I'm just showing you here is that the one I just measured is half mil. It's not 1 ml, please. So after adding the vitamin E oil, the next thing to add is your glycerin. Glycerin will help moisturize your skin, also smoothing your skin. So once you have added it, okay, we are going to be using just 1 ml of glycerin. So once you're done, I'm going to transfer it. Please, if you have this type of cup, you can start using it immediately. I only showed you how to use this so that you will see the video clearly. I'm using this for it to be very easy for me if I'm transferring it in the bottles, so that is why I transferred it here. Give it a good mix. Make sure you mix it. This is the time to mix it. You cannot just pour it and leave it like that, so you have to mix it properly. If you're making a large batch, you can use whisker. You can use anything that you have that you can use to blend the oil very well, because that we added 2 oils here, glycerin and the vitamin E oil. We added 2 of them. So if you're making a large batch, you can go for your whisker so that it can mix properly in case you want to sell it. So once you are done, transfer it into the bottles. So this vitamin E oil can last up to 3 months. You can add preservative, but if you don't want to add preservative, it can last up to 3 months, okay? This vitamin C serum is usually effective in clearing dark spots, sunburn, and face redness. It can also brighten your face. I'll be showing you how to use it on my skin, but this is mainly for face. It is just for facial use, okay? So the next clip I'll be showing you is how to use it. Our light was set, so I have to move to outside to make the review. In case if you want to learn all kinds of soap making, please use this number on the screen to contact me. I teach all kinds of soap making for business, purpose and all kinds of skincare. Please, I prefer you writing me on WhatsApp or Telegram. Please, I don't like calling me, because when you call me, I will forget everything you have told me in the past. Okay, I will just forget it, and when you come back, I will start asking you again. So it is preferable for you to write me on WhatsApp or Telegram, so that next time I see your chat or anything, I will just remember everything. Okay. Please remember to like this video, share if you find it interesting, subscribe, follow this video in case you are watching it in any of my platform, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.